Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Premiere Pro for audio ducking with music tracks. Open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project or open an existing one. Import your audio files and video clips into the project. Drag your main video clip to the timeline. Add the music track to a separate audio track in the timeline, placing it beneath the main audio. Select the audio track of your voiceover or dialogue. Navigate to the Essential Sound panel. If it's not visible, go to Window and select Essential Sound. In the Essential Sound panel, choose Dialogue for the voiceover track. Click on the Music option for the music track in the Essential Sound panel. With the music track selected, activate the duck option. Adjust the duck against setting to dialogue to let Premiere Pro know what you want it to duck against. Set the sensitivity slider to your desired level. A higher sensitivity will cause more ducking. Fine-tune the Reduce by slider to decide how much the music volume should decrease. You can adjust the Fade slider to control how quickly the music fades down when dialogue starts. Preview the audio setup by playing back the timeline and making further adjustments as necessary. If needed, repeat the process for additional audio tracks or dialogue. Once satisfied with the ducking effect, export your project to finalize the setup. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.